Chairman Sir, I wish to draw the attention of this August House to an important matter concerning railway connectivity between Goa and Kerala. The Vande Bharat Express, train number 20645 and 20646, currently runs only between Madgaon and Mangaluru. Many passengers who need to travel further to Kozhikode, Kerala, a major commercial city in Kerala, are facing difficulty as they must depend on alternate connection and change trains. These often result in long waiting hours and non-availability of tickets, causing hardship to frequent travelers, especially senior citizens and tourists. The present Vande Bharat service between Madgaon and Mangaluru is functioning very well, but it does not meet the growing demand of passengers who need to continue their journey to Kerala. Goa and Kerala are among India's most popular destinations. Many international tourists plan their itinerary covering both the states, and a direct and comfortable connection is essential to support this tourism circuit. Along with this, many people of Goa travel to Kerala for work, studies, medical needs, or family reasons, and people from Kerala also come to Goa in large numbers. This regular travel has strengthened ties between Goa and Kerala. Extending this Vande Bharat service beyond Mangaluru up to Kozhikode will provide a smooth and direct journey without the need to change the trains. This will especially help students, senior citizens, tourists, and frequent travelers. Chairman Sir, I humbly request the government to consider extending the operational jurisdiction and destination of this Vande Bharat Express up to Kozhikode in Kerala. This will improve West Coast connectivity between thousands with benefit thousands of passengers traveling regularly between Goa and Kerala. Thank you, sir.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.